everyone, my name is Sakshi.
I'm Shreya.
I'm Sravya.
And I'm Varshita. We're computer science and business students attending Rutgers University.
Now let's talk about Maya Nelson. She's a fantasy writer and an indie creator. The hardest part of her job isn't creating the story, but keeping everything aligned as it grows. She'll change a character in chapter 8 while her artist is still designing from chapter 3. Details get buried across chapters, notes, messages, and references. Eventually, she's spending more time managing her vision than actually creating it.
And that's exactly why we built Resonance, a space where writers and designers can build the same world without losing track of how that world changes. Our target audience is independent authors and small creative teams bringing stories to life visually, from illustrated books and graphic novels to comics and narrative games. So, what does that actually look like?
This is our home page. We're going to log in using Google. And once it's authenticated, the user can choose between writer and designer role. So we're going to choose writer. The story is already in development, but the writer is going to add a chapter and it's going to be saved. From the writing, the Grok API automatically updates the world, identifying the locations, the events, and the relationships between them. And it's mapped using different nodes. And it doesn't stop at world. Resonance understands the people. For example, if we take Lyra, it builds her profile, which is saved in the Supabase backend. We can look at her character, her relationship, her arc, and different notes. And the arc is not static. It can change as the chapters progress throughout the story. You can edit the character manually, and you can also send the designer a notification that a new character has been added or edited.
And me as a designer can receive it from the designer tab. And when I receive the notification, I can open it and then start a new design pad and start drawing on it. Let's say the story has something historical and I don't know too much about it. I could use the research button to kind of like research like the whatever is needed for the design, and also it looks out for any inconsistencies between the writer and the designer, and also uses Tably API to do so. Then I will go back to assets. Then since it's already saved, I can send it to the writer to review.
Then the writer receives a notification saying that the design was made. They can either accept it, review changes, or reject the design. After the design gets accepted, the designer can then see all of their assets in their page, which keeps it in an organized manner. This is Resonance, a tool that helps you execute your idea.